Now this figure 19-17 deals with sizing the conductors for a feeder where you have two or more air conditioners or compressor type motors. Now figure 19-11 can be reviewed for sizing the overcurrent protection device ahead of such feeder. Now in the NEC loop we still have certain conductors and overcurrent devices, overloads, disconnects locations, sizing of the disconnect, and so forth, with the sections to review listed if you want to maybe make a little case study out of those components that are listed there. But now notice we're sizing our conductors, and so we're looking at sizing the conductors in accordance with the NEC, and we will size our conductors based upon 125% of the largest unit plus 100% of the remaining units. So we'll be looking at 440-33 basically. And next we will perform the calculation.